you would have in a cage. We're going to take 2 orange balloons. One of them needs to have about 4.5 inches at the end. The other one about 5 inches. We're also going to use a yellow balloon that has about 4 inches from the end, and a blue balloon, which I've already done, which is going to make our eyes, which is about 2 double plums on each side, about yay big. We're going to start off by using our yellow balloon, and we're going to make the parrot body. So I'm going to take this, fold it over. It's got to be a little bit bigger than our eyes. Tie it off. I'm going to make 1 cherry twist, and then we're going to make our parrot body. Now we're going to take this balloon, go over the top, twist it in, and now we are ready for our face and head. So we're going to set this aside, grab the orange balloon, make a small bubble, about a plum, make another one, make it a little bit longer, just a hair longer. Then we're going to make 1 kind of fat cheek, and 1 more fat cheek, same size. Now we're going to leave a bubble at the back. So now we have this piece here, and we have the head, and now we'll go ahead and make the feet. Now the feet's going to be real simple. We're going to make 1 bubble. We'll hand twist. Another bubble. This one needs to be a lot smaller than the other one. Make another small one. Make 1 more big one. Twist those together. And then make 1 more bubble. And get rid of the end. So now when we straighten this up, and I hold it, it wants to fall apart. It'll hold itself together once we add the other balloon. But to give you an idea what it's going to look like, you have the long twist, short twist, long twist, and the 2 bubbles holding everything together, and it'll look like this. Now we'll go into the assembly. I'm going to start with this face. We're going to need to line them up, just like so. It's going to be hard to hold on to it, but and now we're going to take and add this balloon. I'm going to pull the eyes down, wrap them around the back bubble, round the face, and pull tight again, go back around the back bubble, so that we have just like you see here. Now, we're going to grab this balloon, bring around the back side, come to the front of the eyes, just as you see here. Come around the side, just like so. Then twist it and pull real tight and bring it around that back bubble. And then we'll straighten out the 2 elephant ears. You're going to want to push this forward just a hair so that it sticks out just like so. This bubble here, the reason we put it there is this will hold this balloon backwards towards the back of the head. Now we're going to make a parrot body right here. Pay attention to how much balloon you have to make sure you have enough room. Make your little parrot body. Just like so. Now we're going to grab those feet. Then we at our feet, and we have our little bird. For this next balloon, we're going to be doing a penguin. This is my son.